Good morning. We are starting early this morning. Reason is that temperature is going to be a bit high today, so better get started early. Less wet and hopefully less wet. Yeah, we are going to weld this again. This inside of this weld was not successful. It's leaking oil. Hydraulic oil to be exact. So we'll open that and then we take the pipes out and oil out and pins out, and we'll take out the cylinder and take all the oil out. Then we try to clean this pipe as best as we can and heat it up and grind the inside and weld that again, but I think this time I will be using stick weld, so it should be better. Let's see. Let's loosen that first. I don't want to forget it. It's easiest to do while it's still here in the machine. This is just a normal pipe wrench. Actually, I didn't tighten this all the way last time, so comes out nicely. Yeah. That's this side, and here's the other side. Do I have the plugs somewhere? I noticed there's some pressure, but I didn't expect that much. Okay. Getting this party started. Well-oiled glasses are always nice. Not shit happens, but we are expecting that. There was still quite a lot of air in the system. I just used it a couple of times until I noticed that it's still leaking, so it's pretty foamy. That's why we had the pressure also there, I think. Yeah. Yeah, it's half air. We made mess already, so doesn't matter too much. Okay, now it's mostly empty. Yeah, that's solid. More solid than the other. More tools. Ah, yeah, no way. More tools. Socket extender makes a nice punch too. Okay. Here we have it. We need to get that out. Okay. Okay, let's put that to the side. Away from all the accent. Nice. Sludge. Okay. Cleaning is the next. Okay, I thought about this. Do I want to cut the good support? It might help to bend this out for the welding, but not so much, maybe. Also that would risk cracking the pipe elsewhere. So because it's made of Chinesium, I don't have high trust on the quality of the metal. I could grind it manually. Or then I could drive to the shop and get this kind of electric file that has these running. I had it planned, but I forgot it. This might work. Let's cut one and see what we think. Let's see. This might take a while. There's a lots of slug in that weld also. Which is there's not any nice solid beads because it was difficult to get to the behind, and that's what we have at the moment. Do I need clamps? It might be a good idea. Oh, maybe. I could use some part of that with the grinder. Could take it out with grinder, so it's speeding up this thing. I'm trying to see where the leak is. It's probably totally on the back side, which is not good. What do you say if we cut the support and then we bend this up? How much we need to bend it to really be helpful? If it would be like there, it would help the welding and grinding. I think we need to do that. This looks so bad, the weld on there. I can use the hacksaw for the rest, I think. This is just mechanical support for the pipes, which should help to prevent this kind of bending problems, but the root hit exactly the right spot to cause most havoc. That's what happened for Big Mac when you're grinding on top of that. What do you think? Do I need to heat this for bending? I think it would be a good idea. Just to soften it a bit. I think this is going to be the bending tool for us. Let's see. It's bending a bit. More heat, I think. Okay, there's some liquid still moving there because we just got a nice puff of smoke from the inside, but yeah, it's helping a bit. Do I get this behind now? Bit. Yeah, I guess that should be enough. Let's see. Yeah, we should really try to get all the oil out from the cylinder first before we start doing anything welding related. I would really like to get that hump out of there, but it's just in the worst places. And at the end, what matters getting all the cracks welded nicely. So what do? We turn this. First we will try to drain the oil here. Then we think about this. Yeah, it's such a thin layer that it just stays in there and then it pulls when you turn it around. And you need a solvent to get the rest of the oil out. Unfortunately, we need to do this. Let's put it. All the way. Okay, we need a compressor also here because we need to blow out the excess brake cleaner before we even start to use the acetone. Yeah, there's not moving oil anymore there. That's good. Let's make another round. I guess we need to rinse also this one because there's going to be oil also there. It leaks everywhere. Do I look like I'm getting desperate or lazy? Something like that. Let's see what this says. Looks promising. I know I'm ruining this file, but doesn't matter. Like this. I should cut this. Yeah, I should cut this file. That was hard metal to cut. You can see from the heat. Okay, I could make another short piece, making it easier to grind away. Thin. First test. How's the acetone and this plastic? Seems to be holding up, at least partly. Not very long, I think. Can you see? A bit more. Yeah, it's melting a bit. Yes. We need sticks. I bought some new, hoping that they would be dry, so I wouldn't need to fire at the grill this time. Nice. I also got welding gloves this time. Not meaning to use the winter gloves. Okay, that's pretty hot. Just a bit little less. 75, I think. Also got better hammer for getting the slug out. Okay, the table is going to burn. Should we get a little something under it? Okay, I think we are done with the welding. It's not gonna get any better anymore, I think. So we try to get this back in its place. Now we need to weld this back at least. Do you think it's close enough? I think it is. Put a tab on there. You're done. Yeah. If you have any idea how this could look worse, drop a comment. I think we are pretty much on the edge over there. This time let's give it some time to cool before we put any paint. I'm not going to test with the air pressure at all. Last time I did it looked okay when it still leaked, so no use there. Okay, that concludes the welding part. Next steps are painting and putting it back and testing if it works. Let's see. Okay, I think it's time to put the band together again. We need to do some cleaning on the inside again. I don't know if you can see. Probably not. Not very well. Yeah, we got something out. Yeah, it looks good. We're probably going to need some oil here. Or at least it's a good idea to have some oil because we did clean it all out. So yes. we didn't do anything, just been sitting there. So okay, that's how far it goes by hand nicely. Not trying to force it by hand, so we'll just put it back and are we confident enough to also put grease on the pins? I think that would be jinxing it. So let's do a test first, and if that's okay, then we can put the grease on the pins. Don't you agree? Yeah. We have still air, lots of air here. I think I will not call it yet, but this might have been a success because I don't see any leaks on that. So let's not call it success. Let's call it no leaks. The weld looks awful, but I guess that's okay. Yeah. Okay, seems that this is it for the hydraulic repairs, and on to the other projects. So I think next up is cutting the grass that is really long and other minor things that I'm not going to film, but thanks for joining in, and see you on the next one. Bye!